Hello everyone. We're back with another trading day. Big sell-off yesterday, even though price found support at around 11. I always wait around 15 minutes. It's not a rule, it's that I like to see price trending and then I'll see if I can find a setup or more continuation. ES took yesterday 4-hour low, and now both of them, ES and NQ, are taking high up day. Strong reversal. Still, I don't like this week on the 5-minute. But it's all about context. The fact that ES took that 4-hour low and NQ hold above. Let's see. I like this triple top we have with yesterday 4-hour candle and double top on pre-market. Let's see if that could be the target before continuing lower. What market are you watching? I'm watching NQ and ES. If you flip your phone horizontal, you'll be able to see ES on the left and NQ on the right. But the chart, the Y chart, this one, it's NQ in the 1 minute time frame. No, you're good. No problem. I just wanted to mention because, yeah, many people don't know they can do that, and I just wanted to give you the information. No problem. Hey, Javi. Good evening. How's it going? Looking for shorts? Let's see. Do you notice how ES took yesterday 4-hour candles low and reverse, and NQ did the same, but NQ hold above? So there is a small SMT there. What's your bias for now? For now, I think I want to see more, but I think this double top, triple top on NQ could be a good target to if we take that, maybe we can continue lower, but that's just an opinion. If we don't do it and then prices start dropping, then I'll be looking for shorts as well. But hey, Fix, how's it going? How you doing? We have PMI at 945. It usually move the market a little, so just be aware of that. News in 3 minutes. Yep. We have news in 3 minutes. Take a look at the 15-minute candle. And also the first 5-minute candle. That could indicate price could balance. Let's see. Good short setup, but there is new. Yeah, that's the thing we knew. Sometimes I also see good setups, but then it's 2 minutes away from news and a little spike can stop you out and then price can move in your favor. And that's unfortunate. I think if price is weak of it, you'll get a chance later. It's just you say you should have shorted, but because now you see what happened, but if you enter and then price spike because of the news stop you out, then you would say, oh, I knew this could happen. Why would I enter? Because that's what happened to me. So I don't touch it. I think one good idea could be, instead of entering with the market order, maybe enter with a stop order. But still, news is kind of tricky. See, look at the 5-minute candle. Now NQ took yesterday 4 hour, the PM session, and it's also reversing, but another big week. As of now, I'm just watching. This could be also a good setup for short because we took low of day, we left a big fair value gap, but for me, it's not a setup. Then it worked, and then I'll say, oh, it was clear, but I don't like it, but many people like that. I'm a little bit wary when we take low of day, and also we took yesterday 4 hour low, so I'm going to wait. And look at that 5-minute candle. It's not that it looks good or it looks bad. It's just, it's not aligned with the way I trade. Ugh. it's kind of confusing for me because we have this 1 minute fair value gap. And for me, price closing below it, it's a good short. That means I will enter short, but price respecting it could also be a good idea for long. So, and since I have those thoughts, I'm not sure what to do then. And look at the 5 minute. Good morning, and how's it going? You're up $1,500. That's good, brother. Do you trade prop firms or personal account? Top step. Nice. Last minute of this 5 minute candle, and look how the candle is looking. Another wick. I think there is a reversal. To what size of it? Do you think price going down or up? you looking for longs or shorts? I'm just watching, nothing as of now. I think price is in a range. Hey Benji, how's it going? Buenos días, brutal, ¿cómo anda todo? Saludos, brother. This market has tilted me today so far. Kind of balanced, right? I'm still waiting. Benji, do you trade pre-market before 9:30? Nah, I see. Yeah, we have housing news at 10 a.m. Here come housing news. Yeah, let's see. And Q took low day, and yes, it's about to do an outside candle above low day. So lots of S&T today. But NQ still doing lower high and lower lows. So as of now, it looks like price is downtrending on a channel. And yes, it's about to take half day. Look at that. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. So at some point on NQ, it was looking at like the trend was a downtrend, 2 consecutive down close candle. Price couldn't take high of day, and then took a low of day and reverse with a ES doing a higher low and taking high of day. So let's see. We're also doing a very nice outside candle in the 15 minutes. The price action is not tricky, it's not bad. It's just what it is. For some people, this is amazing. And for other like me, I just have to wait. Because again, it's not because price action is bad, it's just it doesn't align with the way I trade. Cada vez que me voy y regreso y dejo el audífono muteado, se me olvida. Gracias, brother. Reversal incoming. Gracias, brutal. But reversal, in what sense? We haven't moved. Price open at 260 and we are 266. Oh, you mean like we took high of day and now do more downside? I don't know. Let's see. As of now, for me, it looks like price is in a range, and I have to wait for more price action to see. I think it will go up. Lower low. What's a LL? We have manipulation with the new low. Yeah. If I have to enter right now, I will enter long, but since I don't have to enter right now and I can wait, then I will wait, because like I say, what I'm seeing right now here, it's just a range, price in a range. Wait for a pullback. Yes, if we do a nice pullback, like 2 legs, for example, then I will enter longs. Let's see. It looks like one of those days where we start moving after 11. Last time this happened was, I believe, on Monday, but we did nothing. Never moved. It was the whole day in a range, seeking destruction condition. Does today looks like last Monday or this past Monday? I don't know. Let's see. So we can elaborate something from here. We have SMT here. We have a strong push. And then it wouldn't look bad to enter on a pullback like this. If we do this, then I'll enter long. We're about to hit yesterday close. Yesterday close is at 316. That could help us. After we hit that, price could do a little pullback. I would like to see price taking a previous 5-minute low. That's the kind of pullback I'm looking for. What can happen? It can happen that we don't do that big pullback and yeah, push higher. This can happen, and then I won't be on the trade. It's crazy how fast time passes while trading. Dímelo, José Abraham. Todo bien, tranquilo. Mirando y dejando. Ningún trade por ahora. ¿Y tú qué tal? ¿Hiciste algo? Price is about to take yesterday close. Let's see if we can see a pullback after closing that gap. Price just took yesterday close. Let's see what happened now. It looks very nice in the 5-minute. Price took with the NSMT. Price took low of day, aggressive reversal, outside candle. Low of day exactly at 10 a.m. This 5 minute just opened and we are about to take previous 5 minute low. Good morning, Big Tim. How's your day going so far? I'm waiting for Apex to go home for 90%. Oh, you mean the 90% discount? But isn't it the same? You get 90% discount, but at the end you have to pay the activation fee, which put you almost at the same price of every other prop firm. You buy the 25K account? 50? I thought the 50K account activation fee was up around 125. We did very nice. I mean, a very short pullback, and that for me it's not enough. So yeah, nothing for me here. Price very strong. Every time we do a really nice trend, I will be sitting here for the whole AM session doing nothing. I guess at some point I will learn how to enter on this market, but as of now, just watch, just watching. That's it. Very similar to yesterday. Yesterday price went straight down, just watching. Straight up, just watching. And that's because what I have learned, it's with pullbacks. We do a little pullback and then I enter in that pullback for more upside. And here we just pushing higher. That's for lifetime. I see. So you pay every your platform or using in your trade. I'm using NinjaTrader to execute, but I'm also seeing ThinkOrSwim. If you flip the fund, you will be able to see it. So you pay activation fee every month. That's how it works. If you don't pay the lifetime. I see. Okay. Dímelo, Rolly. ¿Qué tal, brother? Done for the day? Better look for longs. Yeah, I'm looking for long, but very similar to yesterday. When price goes straight forward in one direction, it's hard for me to find entry. But it's good because at the same point, I recognize that before I would just jump because I wanted to trade. But now I'm okay with. Yesterday, I didn't do any trade. And if today it's the same scenario, then I'll be fine as well. At some point, I will learn to enter in this beautiful leg, but as of now, I have to wait. No need to wait. It's coming. Let's see. Let's see. I'm waiting. New York low protected. I see. Do you enter after we took after we did the SMT? Do you enter long or you did a pre-market trade? Oh, you enter low. You enter shorts. I see. I'm not on that level yet of taking this long after taking Love Day, but that looks like a nice because it was also the second time we took yesterday 4-hour low and we have an aggressive reversal. Very nice. Very nice. Up close outside candle. Let's see. Cualquier cosa dentro del 50% retracement. Yeah, waiting for price dropping to the 50%. Yeah, it's a lot. 96 point, and then if we do that, I will be careful. Good morning, Tuki. No, I haven't done any trade. Haven't been able to find a good setup for me. You can target shorts. Enter we won't make it. No, the thing is that if I feel entering short here, it would be a counter trend. And also I don't have an entry here. But even if I had the entry, I wouldn't enter shorts. It will be trading against all this rally. Hmm. Yeah, that's the thing with reversal. I think that's why we like reversal, because they are so aggressive and so fast. It's like being on the perfect trade. But for me, 90% of my losing trades come from reversal. We're looking at different things for buy. Yeah, but many time I would like to be on your side. Because you know how to read bias better than me. But for example, if you're reading here weakness, if you think the shorts are favor here, then I will stay out. PD for long. The beginning of the 10 a.m. 1 hour candle was very bad. So we are targeting that now. That would have been a good quick short for you. Now, even though I take scalps, it doesn't mean I take any. I like to be with the trend. It doesn't mean I take any quick move. I don't have like a missed opportunity here. Price is EPA. What's EPA? Now, but a lot of imbalance inside. See that reaction? Let's see. Yeah, nice reaction to the 50%. Let me see how the 1 hour is looking. Remember last buy side that push for the inducement and break a structure. Give me just 1 second. Da un momento, ahora vengo para acá. Rápido. My question, it's always the same. So, I wonder, what are we doing now? Are we reversing? Are we doing just a pullback? Are we downtrending now? Or are we still in an uptrend? That's the hard thing to identify for me. Pullback. You think this is a pullback? Look to the left, remember. Yeah, no, I have been in also uptrend and then I look to the left and it looks really clean, but still, like yesterday we reversed. This was a reversal. Where we are, where we're coming from, and where we're going next. One hour is triple top. That's what we're targeting. Yeah, I saw that triple top. So New York low will be respected. Really. I caught 160 with a 5-point stop loss on NQ. Good, brother. Ooh. We're chasing the imbalance. Which imbalance, Rolly? In the 5-minute? I have a stop order above 89. If price take that swing low, this swing low, then I will see things different. All that low will get swept. If you get swept before hitting my entry, then I will not enter long. Not yet. $22. VA not good for long now. Let's see. If we do a small pullback, it will fill another order, and then my stop loss is at 56. That's it. Unless you are not targeting New York high. I'm targeting a little bit below New York high. New York high, it's at 48, and I'm targeting 22. How I see it, it's a 4 minutes new candle. Yeah. And a lot of accumulation on that sell side without any internal. I see. Let's see. Why longs? Because I think price is going to go up. So PA can be pushed down before going higher. Yeah, and it wouldn't look bad for longs. Like if we take this swing low, it's still not so bad for longs, but this was my setup. This is what I was waiting for. But hopefully, yeah, hopefully. But it's unlike the PA for long. Usually it's faster than this. My trades, they develop faster than this. Not only after I enter, but before I enter, the pullback it's shorter than this. It doesn't take this long. That's why I was wondering if this is a pullback or we're reversing. Very small 15-minute candle. Very small. Closer, bro. The trade? Yes, it's looking better than NQ. That's one thing I'm trying to learn and see how I can do it better. For example, I have the same setup on ES, and ES, it's one tick about hitting target, and NQ still a little bit. We are just at 50% of my target. So that's one thing I want to do. Go with the strongest one. At the end, I watch both of them. The only thing I don't do it's because I have made mistake switching from NQ to ES, and I try to avoid that because mistake hurts the most more than losses. It's reversing. We're doing a very nice outside candle now. Yeah. Told you, homie. Yeah. But remember, I need to do these trades so I can really know what works for me and what doesn't. I'm not afraid of losing. Even if it's a winning trade, it will be like how much? Like $80. There's nothing that I can do with $80. So I'm not looking for win or losing. I'm looking for doing the same thing over and over so I can really have some clear data. Believe it or not, I have never been able to do that. I always switch. Like, for example, I have never followed anyone signal, but let's say I close it because you told me to, then I don't have a playbook that say I close this trade because someone told me to. It's either work or it doesn't work. The other contract got filled. Very aggressive reversal with an outside candle. Let's see if we can respect those low, but it's not looking good, especially since it moved a little in my favor. It's not the same if I enter and then moving a little bit against me and then push higher, then it already did the higher push. It was a trap. Yeah, it looks like a trap. $80. Now my 1-to-1 it's at 0.3. Let's see. What symbol, bro? This is NQ. It's playing around, kind of trying to give hopes. But when the trade goes so against me, I have not much hope that this is going to work. And also, especially this, after it moved in my favor. That is key. That could be also a good signal not to enter another contract, just like I did, but I didn't want to touch anything. Curious, why are you long? Because I think price was going to test high of day. Especially since we were inside macro. Usually macro goes in the trend direction. Very strong 5-minute candle. It's been trading on its low the whole 5-minute. Price should respect this for more downside. One second. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm about to get stop out. It's just playing around, and I feel like, let's say I wait short here, this is what price would do, like playing around until you hit target. That's why I have no confidence in this trade, because if I don't know why this is happening, because if I wait short here, yeah, I would be calm. It looks like it's going down. Next 5-minute already took previous 5-minute low immediately on the first minute. And it's already 11:10. If this wasn't the trade, it doesn't look like I'm going to have another chance. Let's see, I got stop out. We could easily be doing a 2 legs pullback in the 5-minute. But usually my entries are on the 1 minute. That means I probably won't be able to do another trade. This is a very extensive pullback. We don't know if it's a reversal yet, but it's looking very aggressive. Llámame to text. Dale, después te tiro para allá. Dale, Rolly. So macro just ended and we did a lower high inside macro. And 950 macro, we did a reversal. I expect most of the time continuation inside macro. So that means that when that doesn't happen, this is a losing trade, a losing day. I think it takes a little bit more reading. Alright, so stop trading today unless you're looking for longs. Dale, Rolly, nos vemos. Very aggressive reversal. Now, as of now, since I thought this was going to be the pullback and we were going to take high of day to continue with the trend and price has dropped a lot, now I have no confirmation for anything, because I struggle to identify, are we on a new trend? Is the price downtrending, which looks like it's downtrending, or are we just doing a pullback in the 5 minute? Because after this weakness, after this strong pullback, I would like to look for short, but we're still doing high lows. And price just reverse. The only level I have here, it's midnight opening. So what I'm trying to say is that we still have good level to the upside. There's a triple top at 68, around 68. But let's see. So let's take a look at 1050 macro and 1050 macro and 950 macro. So here's this. My mouse is not working today. So we have a nice reverse, a V shape, and look at 950 macro. Same thing. Same thing. V shape. And then V shape. When that happened, I'm lost, because it's not that I'm lost, but it's kind of if we provide a nice setup, it's a very sure loss. Let's see if I can find yesterday macro. Yesterday was beautiful, but too aggressive for me. Closing a low of day. So the thing is, which one is more common? The V shape or the continuation? in my opinion, it's the continuation, and that's what I'm betting on, but I need to see it myself. I have done back testing, and it's the continuation, but now everything is going to be on my journal. Let's see, now I would like to enter on a short, but I will have to take the risk that we're probably doing a 2-leg pullback in the 5-minute. But yeah, I'm fine with taking that risk. Let's see. Also, ES missed the target for 1 tick. It reversed 1 tick. 1 tick? Discount the highs. Yeah, 1 tick. But 1 tick on ES, it's more than 1 tick on NQ, so it's not like, oh, I could have closed a 1 tick. It's just 1 tick. 1 tick on NQ, it's, yeah, like $12, 12.5. And 1 tick on NQ, it's $5. Strong push now. This is kind of what I wanted to see after I enter. So now the shorts are not looking very well for me. It's just very strong pullback for this leg. So it looks like, yeah, it's doing the 2-leg pullback in the 5-minute to continue pushing higher. That's it. This market, it's highly manipulated. I just did one trade. That's it. Usually not. Lately I have been just sitting here until 12 because I haven't been able to find it setups, but let's see what's going on. I did one losing trade already. That means that if the next, well, it's too late anyways, but if the next is a losing trade, that's it for today. I like to take 3 trades, and if I do 2 consecutive losing trades, then I'll stop. These are not regular price action. Yeah, it doesn't look like regular, but some people will argue that this is just fine. That's why, yeah, whatever. It's manipulation, it's regular. I need to trade both of them so I can have an idea when does my strategy works and when it doesn't. Right? Don't you think? It's about to go down, down. Let's see. I would like to enter on a short. So if it's about to go down, down, then nice. Let's see if it provides an entry here. Then I'll be entering shorts. Price just closed this imbalance to the tick. Well, in MQ. Here in the micro, it looks like it went beyond, but no, actually, yeah, it went beyond. It closed in this candle, but the next one got below of it. Until recently, I thought that if price do this, like filling the whole gap, the whole imbalance, the whole fair value gap, it was a good signal for more upside. I didn't know that. I thought that price only, it was good if price just stay above the 50% of the gap. But recently someone told me that it's a good idea if we close the whole imbalance and then continue. Was just watching at the 5 minute and we are very close to, actually we are price open at 60.5 and we are 66. So that means we are balanced. 55, the 5 minute doesn't look trending. This is looking nice for more upside. But like I say, because if I look to the left and I see all this, I like to trade with all this. And because we are now reversing, I will probably have to stay out. See? If we take this swing high, then that's it for me. I have a stop order right there at 72.25, and I will be targeting 53. I usually like to enter like this. But since has taken a lot of time, if we get to drop here, I think it will be aggressive and it could easily go straight to my target. So that's why I'm entering on a stop order and not on an order limit. Let's see. $11.40, so time it's not ideal. This is definitely the last trade of the day. And I want price closing below my entry. I don't want to see a week. Let's see. Let's see, this candle it's about to close, and this is the week I didn't want to see. That's a risk I take, entering with stop order. So the thing is that my entry, it's not yet confirmed. Let's see. That's why I'm not entering with another contract. I could enter with another contract. I should, to make up for the whole $100 loss, but since my idea it's not yet confirmed, but I enter on stop loss because I fear that we probably drop hard, but we're about to be stopped out again. Yes. This is the second loss of the day. That's it for today. It was a good idea not adding to this trade. The thing is that the setup got never confirmed here. But again, I thought because we were consolidating up here, we might see an aggressive on the time frame sell-off. That's why I enter on a stop order. But that's it. Done for the day. Now the first trade, it's better than the second one because it actually confirmed. It closed above the inverse, even though I also enter on a stop order. But here it's just like, again, it looks like a beautiful entry for longs. So this is not the first time I see this, and this could be also something good to enter longs. It looks like we're uptrending on a channel. But yeah, 2 trades today, 2 losing trades. That's it. I don't think I'll have another opportunity, but even if I do, I only try to do 2 losing days for a day. So that's it. I'll be doing a recap in the afternoon. Even though I could name this as a mistake, it's not a mistake because I knew I think mistakes are when things are out of your hand, but I knew the risk I was taking that entering here. So that's it. It's also 11:45. We did a nice 2-leg pullback in the 5-minute, and now it's looking like the trend, it's, I don't know the name of that, but it's going to continue pushing higher. Other than that, not much. So I'll be back in the afternoon for the recap, and then I'll be here tomorrow.